got the answers when I.
Alright, so the ingredients are parsley, you need onions, you need bell peppers. We are going to add some salt, some black peppercorns, and to finish it off, we're going to drizzle some olive oil. Awesome, so we're gonna go ahead and blend this up, guys. All right, guys, we've definitely come to my fun parts, okay, where all the fun, the action, the romance, the combinations begin. Okay, so what we're going to do firstly is we're going to add some crushed pepper. You know, first class is really all about that kick, that spice, all right? What I just did was I added garlic powder. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and pour the blended ingredients into this mixture. And we're going to mix it all together, guys. Don't leave me, guys. We're almost done. We're going to go ahead and add half a cup of coconut milk as well as half a cup of all-purpose flour. And lastly, oil, guys. And we're going to go ahead and air fry this. Do you know that we're air frying this? We're not going to be frying it, but air frying. Big difference, okay? Guys, look, air fryer makes like a significant amount of difference when it comes to like draining oil from your food. Is the healthier alternative, okay? So I would urge you to invest in an air fryer, and it's not time consuming. It takes just a little bit of time to cook food in your air fryer. Anyways, so all right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put some oil on our air fryer pan just so that the chicken doesn't stick. We're gonna put the air fryer on 380 degrees for 15 minutes. Make sure that every 5 minutes you take it out and you turn it. Now after the 15 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and air fry it again for 400 degrees for 5 minutes, guys. All right, guys, and we are all done. Thank you so much for watching. You gotta try this recipe. Try it, guys, and let me know how it went. Thank you so much for watching me here on First Class Cook. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.